स्वागत. सुधागड एज्युकेशन सोसायटीचे केआ बांठिया माध्यमिक विद्यालय व NN पालीवाला ज्युनियर कॉलेज नवीन पनवेल सादर करीत आहे शैक्षणिक व्हिडिओ.
Good morning students. Today we have learned a new subject, that is math first. In that we studied chapter first, that is called sets. In day to day life we talking about the groups or the collection of objects. So some collection of objects are given here. We consider some examples containing the groups of the things. First example is flower bucket. Second one, bunch of keys. Third one, flock of birds. And fourth one, pile of books. From that examples we define the definition of set. So see here, first example, that is flock, that is flowers bucket. So in this way, this is the flower bucket. So in this flower bucket we can easily count how many flowers are there. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, etc. There are 10 flowers in flower buckets. Second example, bunch of keys. Like this. This is the bunch of key. Here we can also easily count down how many keys are there. See here, I count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 keys. It means that in the group of bunch or bunch of keys we can easily write down the count down the keys. Next one, a flock of birds. When we see in the sky, there are so many types of flocks of birds. So we can also count the birds in the sky. And last example, pile of books. See here, this is the pile of books. So in this pile we can easily count the number of books. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. In this way we can also easily count the books, number of books in the pile. So in this way we can find out the number of books, keys, flowers and birds of the given examples. So from that example we can define the definition of sets. What is the definition of sets? A well defined collection of an object are called the set or is called the set. It means that this is the collection of objects and we can easily define the objects in the collection, hence it is the example of set. Hence we consider the some examples of the set. Now before that we can have also some examples like days of week. This is also the example of set. Month of years, first 10 counting numbers, etc. These are the examples of set because we can easily find out the number of elements in the given sets. Now these two examples, consider these two examples. First one is brilliant student in the class and happy children in the village. So brilliant and happy both are the relative terms. It means that we cannot define which students are in the class are brilliant and which children are in the village are happy. Hence these are the relative terms, that is brilliant and happy. Hence these two examples are not a set. Now go to next step. Set can be denoted by capital letter. Generally the set can be denoted by the capital alphabets like A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z. These capital letters are used by denoting the sets, and the members or the elements of a set can be denoted by small letters like A, B, C, X, Y, Z. So, for denoting the members, we can use small letters, and for denoting the set, we can use capital alphabets. If A is an element of set A, is written as A belongs to A. The symbol is called belongs to. So, if any elements are present in the given set, then we write A belongs to A. And if A is not an element is the set A is written as A does not belongs to A. For example, suppose we write here A for the set, and these are the members A, B, C, D or elements of set A. So see here, this A is belongs to A because A is the element of set A, but E does not belongs to A. It means that this E is not a element of set A, hence we write here E does not belongs to A. Now study the set of numbers. This is the very important sets of numbers. You remember, each and every time you have know or use the set of numbers. First one is set of natural numbers. See here, set of natural numbers we can write in the form of set n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 dash dash dash. This is the set of natural number which is denoted by n, and these are the counting numbers are called the natural numbers. Hence n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 dash 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 is a set of natural number. Second one is whole number. Set of whole numbers W equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 dash dash dash. In this way we can take the 0 before the natural numbers and the set becomes whole number. It is denoted by capital W and the numbers are there 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 dash dash dash. This is called the set of whole numbers. Now third one is set of integers. Set of integer, it means that I is called the set of integer, and the members of the integer are -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 dash dash dash. When we observe the number line from 0, right hand side numbers are positive, left hand are negative. These whole numbers are called the set of integers, and we write I equal to dash 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 -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. In this way you can write that set is called the set of integer. Next one, set of rational numbers. Set of rational numbers equal to Q. Here all the negative whole numbers and fractions like -3, -2, -1/2, -3/2, etc. 3/2, 1/2, -1, 0, 1, -1/2, -3/2, -2, -3 dash dash dash. It means that all positive natural numbers and fractions, similarly 0, and left hand side all negative and negative natural numbers and fractions is called the set of rational numbers. Irrational numbers, it means that minus under root 2, under root 3, under root 5, like this. 0, under root 2, under root 3, dash, 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 minus under root 2, minus under root 3. In this way, we write the set of irrational numbers, which is denoted by Q dash. And last one is the set of real numbers. Real numbers is denoted by R equal to, and we write here all rational and irrational numbers. All rational and irrational numbers together become a set of real number. In this way, these are the very important sets of number you remember for the solving the examples. Now go to the methods of writing sets. Methods of writing sets. So there are two methods for writing a set. First one is listing method or roster method. These two names are equal. Sometimes we ask here, write down the set in roster method or in listing method. One word can be used for asking the question. So first one is listing or roster method, and second one is rule method or set builder form. In these two methods we can write the sets. So listing method, we study the example how can you write the set in listing method. Listing method or set building. Here see the example. Example number 1, write the set of all numbers between 1 to 10 by listing method. So we know there are in general three types of number. First one is even number, second odd, and third one prime number. Sometimes they can ask you write down here instead of odd you can write there even. So in the example, write the set of odd numbers between 1 to 10 by listing method. So how many numbers are there from 1 to 10? So A equal to 3, 5, 7, 9. These four numbers are odd numbers between 1 to 10. 1 to 10, these four numbers are between 1 to 10. Or you can write A equal to 7, 5, 3, 9. Both the methods of writing set are same. There is no difference, but you remember how to write the set in listing method. So you write all the members of the set in curly bracket. For denoting set, write a capital letter. For separation of the elements, you can write the comma between two members. And last one is, there is no order is important. You can write any order. See here 3, 5, 7, 9 and here 7, 5, 3, 9. It means that order is not compulsory, but you should write each and every element in the given set. That method is called the listing method or roster method. So in this way you can solve this first example. Now second method, that is called rule method or set builder form. Same example you consider here. Write the set of odd numbers between 1 to 10 by rule method. So answer is here, A equal to x oblique x belongs to n. X is an odd number and 1 less than x less than 10. It means that you write here 1 to 10, between 1 to 10 number. You don't write the list of the numbers. You consider the property of the given example or given numbers and then you write. How can you read this example? Answer, see here, A is the set of all x such that x belongs to n and x is odd number between 1 to 10. X is odd number. See here 3, 5, 7, 9, these are the odd numbers, but in the property form you can write the rule method like this. Set A is the set of all x. This line is called such that x belongs to n. It means that x is a natural number and x is odd number. It is natural number but it is odd number, and also last condition is that x is between 1 and 10. It means that x is an odd number between 1 and 10. In this way you can write the same example by both the method, listing method as well as rule method. This is very important. Sometimes you are given this example and question is asking you to write this example in the rule method, or given example you write into the listing method. So you remember it how to write the examples. Now go to solve practice set 1.1. Question number 1. Write the following set in roster form. See here, roster form, it means that listing method. Listing method and roster form is the same method. So first example, set of even numbers. There are three types of numbers. In the previous example I say you this is odd number, then second one is even number, and third one is prime number. So here we are asking set of even numbers. So which are the even numbers here? So a equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. These are the even numbers. Hence we write the answer a equal to into curly bracket 2, 4, 6, 8. Second example, set of even prime number from 1 to 50. See here, even prime number 1 to 50. First of all we see here prime number 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, etc. and last one 47. These are the prime numbers between 1 to 50. But here question is that set of even prime number. We write here even prime number. You find out here which is the even prime number. Only one, that is 2. 2 is even number as well as prime number. 3, 5, 7, 11 are the odd numbers. Hence we don't write that number here. So answer is B equal to into curly bracket 2. Next one, set of negative integers. You know, on the number line -1, -2, -3 dash 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 are the negative numbers. So you write here for the set C equal to curly bracket -1, -2, -3, etc. And 7 basic sound of a sargam. It means that sur. You know, there are 7 basic surs in sargam. That are sa, re, ga, ma, pa, da, ni. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is D equal to curly bracket. All are the surs of the sargam kiva saregama. Now go to question number 2. Write the following symbolic statement in words. In words for question number 1. 4 upon 3 belongs to Q. It means that 4 upon 3 is an element of set Q. This is the answer. 4 upon 3 belongs to Q. It means that 4 upon 3 is an element of set Q. Second one, -2 does not belongs to 1, N. It means that -2 is not a element of set N. You write here -2 is not a element of set N. This is the answer. Next, third one, P equal to P oblique P is an odd number. How can you write the answer of this question? In symbolic statement in words. So you write here P is the set of all P such that P is an odd number. Your answer is here. How can you write? P is a set of P and P is an odd number. And last question, question number 3 is given you. You write any two sets in listing or rule method. So your book, there are so many examples are given. You find that 2 examples among the given examples. And last question number 4, write the following set using listing method. you write the given set in listing method. All months in Indian solar year. All months in Indian solar year. How can you write all months in Indian solar year? First of all, we know the Indian solar year, month of Indian solar year. Which are the month of Indian solar year? There are 12 months are there in Indian solar year. That is Chaitra, Vaishakha, Jyeshtha, Shravana, Ashadha, etc. up to Phalgun. Chaitra, Vaishakh, Jyeshtha, Ashadha, Shravan, Bhadrapad, Ashwin, Kartik, Margashirsha, Pausha and Magh and Phalgun. In this way, we can write here A equal to Chaitra, Vaishakha, and in this way write all total 12 months in the bracket. Next, letter in the word complement. Set B equal to, see here, this is the word complement. So you write here COMPLEMENT. M is repeated word, so you don't write here. E is also repeated. N and T. In this way, the word is repeated in the given word, so you write that word once and complete the answer. Next, set of human sensor organs. How many sensor organs there are in the human body? There are 5 human sensor organs. All are present in your mouth, on your mouth. First one, nose, tongue, eyes, skin and ear. In this way, nose, tongue, skin, eyes and ear. These are the 5 sensor organs. You can write here like this. C equal to nose, eyes, tongue, ear and teeth. And last one, set of prime number from 1 to 20. Set of prime number from 1 to 20. See here, set of prime number from 1 to 20 are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. These are the prime numbers between 1 to 20. 2 is even prime number, 3, 5, 7. You know the prime number, already you have studied about the prime number in the standard. Now, in this way, we have complete your practice set 1.1. Remaining question number 5 is there. You solve it at home.
आपले हक्काचे मराठी चॅनल रायगड ओवी न्यूज चॅनल, सदैव आपल्यासोबत रायगड ओवी न्यूज चॅनल. नेहमी पाहत रहा, लाईक करा, सबस्क्राईब करा आणि बेल आयकॉनवर क्लिक करायला विसरू नका.